Hello and welcome to what I think is going to be the moving vlog. It is currently Friday and next Thursday, so 6 days from now, my husband and I are moving apartments in Brooklyn. We're changing neighborhoods. We are majorly upgrading spaces. I am so excited. And while we have begun to get rid of stuff and purge some of the things we have, because we do need to get rid of some things, we have not started packing. So packing starts tonight. My work day is now over. It's Friday, and basically for the entire weekend, I need to be packing. I need to be getting rid of stuff. I need to be organizing. I need to be getting everything together for when the movers come 6 days from now. Another sort of fun thing that's happening that I don't know how much this vlog will capture is that my cat had to get surgery this week, and it was honestly really scary, but he's okay. He swallowed a mysterious piece of foam, which sucked. Get pet insurance, all I can say. Thank God we have pet insurance. Saved us literally $10,000. Well, we don't know exactly how much insurance is covering, but without insurance, we would be out $10,000, and they're gonna cover most of it, so whatever. So we are currently housing the cats in the office while the one cat is recovering and he can't really be walking around, which is making having to move and do a bunch of logistical things a little challenging, but it's fine. Also, look at my nails. Look how fun they are. Are you gonna focus? Yes. Okay, I got a different color on every nail. My nail tech was very patient as I picked all of them out, but I think they're so fun. Oh, and I turned 30. So big 30-year-old girl with her big colorful nails. Off to U-Haul. And then we start packing. Penny is very confused about the state of the apartment and why there are so many boxes. It's Saturday. I'm wearing a hat indoors because I'm having a bad hair day. And so even though nobody else is going to see me today because I'm just gonna be packing, here we are. Currently in my bathroom. This is my least favorite room in this apartment. It's such an awkward space. It's so small. I'm so excited to have Penny. She's confused because the house is in disarray and her brother is at the hospital. So if you can hear a cat meowing, that's why. This bathroom is very small. It's very awkward. It also has no ventilation system. There's whatever. It always feels damp in here. Very excited to be moving out, but our new bathroom, while it is way nicer, it is smaller and it has less storage. So I have a lot of things in this room that I need to go through. Please ignore how messy and unorganized this is, but this is actually used to be my bar cart and it fit perfectly in this weird little space in our bathroom. So this is what we've been using for storage. Basically everything on it needs to now fit in a medicine cabinet. Our new place does have a couple drawers, but again, gotta get rid of a lot. So that's what I'm about to do now. It's so dark and sad in here, but I'm sure you understand that I don't really want to turn on the overhead light. This is aloe vera gel that I've had since before I lived in New York City. I'm gonna assume that that's expired. I do have some new unused, ow, I want to get out of here. I do have some new beauty products that I've gotten as gifts that I haven't used yet. So some body washes that I'll take with me. The lighting, whatever, you don't care, do you? I'm gonna just, hello, it's a little bit later. First thing that has happened, I made a coffee. So good. The Starbucks grocery store cold brew is my favorite product that they make by far. I don't really like Starbucks coffee from actual Starbucks, but the Starbucks cold brew that you can buy at your grocery store, there's nothing like it. Currently sitting in a pile of over-the-counter medication as well as makeup products or skincare, and I'm going through it. I just ran out and bought gallon-sized Ziploc bags to organize everything, and I have a box in front of me that we're gonna put everything in. Isn't this exciting? Also, when we get to the new place, please ban me from buying Crest toothpaste because I have so much unopened Crest toothpaste here that I didn't know about. This is the good part about moving, where you can go through all of your stuff and realize you're wasting money at Target on more 2-packs because, girl, you've got it at home. I'm gonna get back to organizing and listening to Lena Dunham's memoir, Famesick. It is really excellent and I highly recommend it. I mean, it is funny how she really is the voice of our generation. She's so incredible. And truly my life goal is to be like 20% as smart and creative as she is. Morale is low. I filmed a little clip earlier of me giving an update when the lighting was a little bit better because the sun is starting to set, and I filmed it in slow motion. So you're not gonna be seeing that, but basically in the clip, I was just folding the clothes that were left in my closet and kind of just getting the final few things in our bedroom packed up. My husband's at the gym. He has not been able to go to the gym in a couple weeks just because we've had life and cat stuff and traveling, whatever. I really wanted him to go because he loves going to the gym. So while he's gone, I'm gonna finish up, I think, packing the last few things in the kitchen, I think. And then honestly, we just have random stuff lying around. So need to just like, I don't know, go through and get that. Honestly, packing, dare I say, this time has really not been that bad. And I don't know why, because I feel like the last 2 times I've moved apartments in the last 8 years, both of the times that I packed were really stressful and I had way more stuff. I did do a lot of spring cleaning of my stuff before we like actually started packing. So I guess I had less stuff to pack, but it really made a difference. I feel like I was way more like, I was down to get rid of stuff this time. Like if I looked at something and I did not immediately feel an attachment to it, it was like, you're going on the stoop. Also, stoop culture here really helps. Here in New York, if you want to get rid of something, you can just put it on your stoop or outside of your apartment and someone will pick it up. Books, random home decor, like we stooped so much. And I think that also made it easier because I didn't have to think about like, okay, I have to load this in my car and drive it to Goodwill or get on the subway with it. Like I can just, if I don't want something, like just put it outside and someone will take it. That has also been very helpful. I am so excited to move into this apartment. I cannot even put into words how excited I am to have in-unit laundry. I'm gonna scroll on my phone for a couple more minutes and then we're gonna get going. And then we're gonna make dinner because we've gone out to eat for like every meal the last 48 hours. And I need to eat a salad that I make with my own 2 hands. I'm heading to the library to drop off my library book, and then I need to go to U-Haul to pick up just a couple of more packing supplies. Getting my steps in for the day because I've been inside all day and I'm so over it. I will be walking to the laundromat 2 more times ever. Just dropped off a load of laundry. I have to go in like 20 minutes to switch it to the dryer, and then I have to go pick it up, and then I will never have to set foot in that laundromat again. So crazy. I don't think it's hit me that starting tomorrow I will be able to do my own laundry. No, that's not true. It definitely has hit me. I'm so excited. Timer just went off. We're going to the laundromat for the very last time, I think. Watch me like realize I need to do another load of laundry tonight, but yay. I've reached the point of packing where we're just putting random stuff into random boxes. Like things are definitely less organized. I will say, and I am proud of this fact, we have fewer boxes for this move than we did when we moved from Chicago to New York. I am gonna be driving to my new apartment with a hamper of dirty laundry. We are gonna be doing it tomorrow. Is that gross? Maybe, but I cannot do quarter laundry anymore. Today, I have hit my limit, 4 years of quarter laundry. God knows how many quarters. I just can't do it anymore. And it was a good run, but I'm very, very excited to do my own laundry tomorrow. I don't think I've ever been so excited to do laundry in my life. Hello from our new apartment. It's currently Friday. We moved yesterday. I did mean to vlog the move yesterday, but it was kind of stressful because the movers broke some of our stuff, including my rare vintage coffee table that I love, as well as our TV. So we are figuring that out. Otter Moving Company, you owe me money. But we are in the new place, currently unpacking. I'm in our bedroom. Look at that closet. Well, maybe don't because it's unorganized, but this place is so amazing and we have been doing laundry for the entire day, and I've never been happier. Just laundry load after laundry load. I'm like, what else can I wash? I want to wash everything. Currently working on organizing the dresser in here. Because our coffee table broke, we can't put anything on it. So I just have like these matchbooks and stuff normally are the kind of thing that would go on there. And I have to figure out the closet. It's crazy right now because I still haven't unpacked all of my clothes that hang. We also don't have a ton of storage in the bathroom, so I think I need to use one of these shelves for like hair and makeup stuff. I just wish it was prettier. I have bags. I don't know. We're figuring it out. Random dry brush. I think that's gonna be like a this weekend project to like sit once I have all of my clothes and like really think about what makes sense. But we love it so far. So happy. Several days later, we've now lived here for over a week, 2 weekends so far. And we really have been loving it so much. I just have not been filming because there's been a lot going on. I am actually now realizing though that this is the same shirt that I wore in the last clip. Whatever, it's been like 12 days. Also, you'll all be happy to know Marcel has recovered from surgery and he's no longer in his cone, which is so exciting. There are quite a few furniture pieces and things that we want to get over the next few months. We want to get a bookcase because we moved with 30 boxes of books and we don't have enough space for all of them. So we want to get a bookcase, a desk for the office. We want to get a new couch, but that's like a longer term purchase. Random stuff like that. We need a toaster. So we're getting there. We're also still trying to resolve the issue with our movers because they broke our TV and our coffee table. And we're just trying to get refunded. They're being very difficult about it. So that's been very annoying, but we're figuring it out. It's been a very expensive month, but it's fine. And we're chugging along. This is a Gia, by the way, one of those Gia spritzes. I love them. The apartment's kind of messy, but I could give a little tour, shall we? The star of the show really is the kitchen, specifically this island. Don't mind my computer charger and my camera cord sitting out, but I am so obsessed with this kitchen. We still have some like random pieces that we have to find a place for, but having all this like drawer and cabinet space is such a game changer because we did not have that before. Then we have the living room. Ooh, let me fix these pillows. We are eventually gonna get a new couch. I don't know when. We also still have not hung up any of our art. We also have to mount our TV. We did get this new media console from Facebook Marketplace, which it's solid wood, which is so incredible. And we want to mount the TV to be actually centered with it. And then we'll have like our record player, which we have to get set up, and some like cute coffee table books and decor. Our bedroom's in there. And then our office is over there, which is honestly so messy. I don't even want to show it. You can see the stacks of book boxes there. And here we have the rug for our office, all of our art. We also don't have any coat hooks. So like all the walls are blank. There's a cat. Mr. Marcel. They had to shave his tummy for surgery, so he has a shaved belly. But they are loving the new place. Hi. We don't really have like a shoe rack situation. And then perhaps most excitingly, we have in-unit laundry. So that's what we're working with. So it's livable, but it's just not in like the exact final place that we want it to be, which is fine. Moving takes time. Another fun thing is our bar cart is officially a bar cart again. So this bar cart is the one that was in our bathroom acting as storage. We cleaned it off. It didn't have anything weird on it. So we are using this as it should be, which is so exciting. I'm excited to keep styling this. And then we want to do like a gallery wall situation once we hang our TV because we have so much art. It's all like the stuff that you saw stacked there is not even half of it. We also are gonna get patio furniture because we have a patio now, which is so exciting. And we need to like measure and figure all that out. We've been putting a lot of this off just because, I don't know, it's a lot of work, but we love it. Move was overall successful despite the hiccups. And I'm so excited to keep decorating and just like actually enjoy it now. So with that, I think we are gonna wrap the moving vlog. Hope you enjoyed watching. Hopefully there's more decor updates in the next video. Bye y'all, thanks for watching.